Hello guys, in this video I will be explaining how to create a custom LTMC object. Okay, when we don't have available LTMC object, we use LTMOM code. This is a modular. This can be used to create custom amigal objects. I am just showing this document and explaining the video. I will show the hands-on as well, and I will pick the see there are many other documents also there. But why I picked this document? Most of the projects facing this service master data upload. There is no available LTMC object. So this documentation is explaining how to use service master function module to create custom LTMC object. Okay. Yeah. Proceeding. First of all, see we'll log in into GUI, then we'll see this is the function module we'll use to create service master data. Okay, we go to LTMOM code, then we will select our respective project. In our day-to-day work, we will have a dedicated project. That project we will select. Then we change the project to edit mode. After that, we click on the project, then we select the user defined and migrate data using staging tables or the files. Okay, then after selecting that, we'll get a pop-up. There we can select FUMO function module approach. Okay, then we'll click next and we'll give the function module name, respective function module. This can be custom function module or a standard function module. Anything, any function module can be used for LTMC. Okay, then we'll give the other parameters. Return we will select, and test run is we have to select because test run is available in that FM for simulation. Then we'll click continue. Our object will be created but not ready for use. Okay, then we'll ignore the global data because this is not a custom function module. And this is, see, if we want to maintain some custom functionality, we'll maintain some global data code as well. So we don't need to maintain anything in global data. We'll simply select the source structure, then we'll right click on it and we'll create a structure below to the source structures. Okay, append source structure to the lower. We'll give our structure name and the description. Then we'll create our our fields, sorry. These fields, at least one field should be primary key. And one thing is, all the like there are multiple import parameters, import structures are there. They when they are all parallel, we don't need to create a multiple source structures. We can create one source structure and maintain all the fields which are needed for us. Okay, and it is a good practice to create all the fields in one structure so that when there is a repetitive parameter is there, we can select the combination of multiple keys as a primary key, and we can still use the functionality in import parameter. So it is better to use only one structure and mention all the fields which we want to use. Okay, then after creating, we'll go to change overview. We can define which is mandatory, which is not mandatory here. And see, when something we selected as required, it is nothing but mandatory field. We need to pass the data. When we select as a visible, this can be passed like that. Okay, and next step we'll go to structure mapping. We don't have anything to do in target structures. Okay, first of all, we'll go to structure mapping and we'll drag our service master to all the headers. Okay, creation of service master, first we'll drag there, then we'll drag to other sub segments as well, create, change, and say single flag, communication, short text, everything, long text, everywhere we'll drag the our source structure. After dragging the source structure, we will go to the field mapping. See, some areas we don't need to drag. For example, this single character flag we didn't mapped our source structure, right? Because see, we don't want to maintain our data in our source structure in our upload file or our template load table. Okay, we can hard code some fields. See, single character flag means x. This x can be used to create data. Okay, when we know the value, we can simply maintain always value as x. Here we can click right click assign rule, then we will select the value as x, so it will be locked to x always. Okay, so while loading in function module also we can do that. After that we can simply save and generate our function module. It will get generated. Then we'll go to our Fury app. Then we'll go to migrate your data app. There we can find our project and we can see our LTMOM object service master. Okay, from there we can download our template and fill our data and upload our data, then prepare and simulate and do all the steps. Okay, mapping everything, then finally migrate. After we migrate, this is a regular day to regular load process. Okay, we can see our successful load and we can see data inside the GUI as well, SAP GUI. So basically we have utilized the existing function module. Then we instead of calling the FM, we created LTMC object using LTMOM. Then we uploaded our data. That's it. So this is a way to create LTMOM object, custom LTMC object. Okay, I will be showing you hands-on video as well for this in next. I will be showing some sandbox videos as well. But first, after this video, I will upload the sandbox videos. After that, I will upload the original video which is working LTMC object, and I will keep the working LTMC object zip file inside in the description. I will try to keep that. Okay. Thank you. Okay.